Hey guys, I hope you are all fine. So, for everyone who is new here, I'm Alina and you're here on my YouTube channel, The Art of Nature Germany. I vlog some of my activities in the German nature and also practice herbalism here. And that is also our topic today. I'm so excited to make elderflower pancakes with you. I think everyone with a Bavarian grandma knows this recipe, and also for me it's a huge childhood flashback. So, what you obviously need is elderflowers. They are in season now, as it is early summer, and you can find them in the edges of forests. Of course, elderflowers are also beneficial for your health. They have been used in traditional medicine all over the world as they cure colds, flu, and various other respiratory disturbances. They also have antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. Besides that, they also alleviate allergies and boost the immune system. The first thing I would do when I arrive home is to control the elderflowers for insects. They love them and I don't want to eat them, so yeah. The next step is to prepare a pancake dough, as you usually do it. I just made a vegan version out of 400 grams of spelt flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 400 milliliters of oat milk, and my mom's more or less secret ingredients to make it fluffy, 200 milliliters of sparkling water. Then you pour a little bit of sunflower oil in a coated pan on high heat. You dip the elderflowers into the pancake dough until they are fully coated. And put them in the pan. When they are in the pan, you can reduce the heat to medium. What you do next is to cut off the bigger stems. They are not very nice to eat, and when you want to turn around the pancakes to bake them on the other side, they will get in the way, so just cut them off. When they are slightly golden brown on one side, you can flip them around. Just press them with your tool onto the pan, so they bake also very nice on the inside. So here you have your elderflower pancakes made from scratch. Or as we say in our South Bavarian dialect, Olderkirchle. Traditionally we eat them with applesauce and a cinnamon and sugar mixture. The rest of the elderflowers I dry, so I can enjoy a cup of elderflower tea in the winter months.